New startup for graduates, assembly of digital land survey equipment. The instrument is designed for following field survey works. 1. Digital land surveys. 2. Boundary surveys. 3. Area survey. 4. Topographic survey. 5. Road and canal survey. 6. Layout preparations. 7. Contour survey. 8. Partition and open space development for recreation parks and landscaping, etc. Digital land survey equipment production and marketing. Digital land survey equipment has replaced the functions of 3 survey instruments presently in use. 1. Theodolite, 2. Auto level, and 3. The total station. Market price of above 3 instruments varies from 10 to 25 lakh rupees. On the other hand, digital land survey equipment assembly costs only 1 lakh rupees. Hence, appreciable saving on instrument cost is apparent. The working with present instrument is very tedious and technical graduates are required to operate them. The LSE assembly can be operated by undergraduates after little training. Production and marketing strategy. Name of the product: Digital Land Survey Equipment, DLSE. Graduates recruitment for following jobs is opened. 1. Sales agent to book orders for sale of DLSE equipment. 2. People interested in setting a workshop at their place for production and supply of DLSE equipment as per sales agent's orders. 3. People interested in making assembly of DLSE equipment in the workshop. 4. Online trainers to train graduates to make assembly of DLSE equipment in the workshop. Our contact details and email ID are given on the screen for persons who want to join business of making and marketing the DLSE equipment. DLSE assembly is useful in following areas. 1. All engineers and architects professionals. 2. Government engineering departments carrying out land surveys for making maps and plans. 3. Engineering colleges having civil engineering department. 4. Revenue department, Patwari map making. 5. Consultant groups developing and designing BOT, build, operate and transfer projects for execution of social welfare projects. All graduates looking for a new startup may join our online training classes for production and marketing of DLS equipment. Our contact details and email ID are given for persons interested in joining the marketing network of DLS equipment. Please subscribe the channel and forward the video to your friends. Thank you.